Self-hypnosis and weight loss is such a common request, but actually, most people are asking for hypnosis and weight loss. They want the hypnosis to be done by a professional because they may not have known they're already doing their own self-hypnosis, or they fear they don't have the steps for how to do self-hypnosis. Now, even a lot of professional hypnotists will explain self-hypnosis as the guided script or prompt for some sort of meditation, a closed eyes, visual experience, a very tranquil and picture-esque scene. That is one style. It's not the only style. When you recognize that self-hypnosis is the ongoing Rolodex of images happening in your subconscious, fueled by the bioelectrical chemical state of emotion that your brain does as it connects to the heart, then you realize you are the hypnotist who is most likely to make that lasting, supportive help in the hypnosis story that changes your weight, that changes your habits, and it changes the way that you feel in your body right now. Because as you feel good, you make good choices. As you feel like you are succeeding, you keep going forward in that experience of viewing yourself as a success. The positive psychology of self-hypnosis is to change this story gradually so that it lasts. It is not about depriving yourself in any shameful way, because shame is a very stagnated, dense, and heavy emotion. Most people want to change their weight because they feel rigid and inflexible, lethargic, heavy. So do you understand how when you change that feeling on the inside, then it changes on the outside in all of your consistent habits? And this is how you change your life, through self-hypnosis for self-weight loss. If you want to understand more about how to do self-hypnosis, please join me for a live experience. I do these every week. It is free hypnosis. Get the toolkit. Or if you'd like professional support, we have several trained, certified ambassadors. You're welcome to experience professional support while you are doing this self-applied process. You've got many different paths. I just want you to wake up from any trance that is no longer, or perhaps never was, serving you. Thanks.